When I told my dad that I had no plans after high school, I'm like, I don't want to be a doctor. I don't want to be an engineer. Like, I don't like any of that. And then my dad, he's like, okay, what do you do in your free time? And I was like, I bake. He's like, exactly. That's what you should do. And I was like, but if I open my own business and it's not successful, what am I going to do? He's like, it's worth to try. And if it wasn't for my dad, I would have never chosen this career. It's just a really big part of me, and it's the only thing I like to do. Hi, my name is Allisson, and I'm a senior here at West Leyden, and I'm really involved in the culinary arts and the classes here. Culinary and cooking, being in the kitchen, has always been a passion since I was little, since I was like 10. When I was in 8th grade and I heard that they had a culinary class here, I got really excited and I signed up for it right away. I bake around 3 or 4 times a week. Sometimes I get lucky, I get 5 orders a week. Sometimes I only get 1. But mostly I bake for my family or for my friends. I give out my baking sweets, and then when people order from me, I have to bake a day before and then just do the whole process. I bake everything with love, and me thinking that I'm gonna give something sweet to someone just makes me happy. I started my business when I was around 10. It was a Valentine's Day. I will never forget that day. My dad brought my mom a box of chocolate covered strawberries. It was like frozen, and she was just like, it's not good. And then she's like, you should start making strawberries. And then the next day I went to the store, I bought a box of chocolate and a box of strawberries, and I started making them. I practiced and it got better, and that's how it started. It was my 13th birthday. One of my mom's friends gave me $100 for my birthday, and I got more money from other family members and friends. I decided to invest that money into buying supplies like boxes, chocolate, sprinkles, and I made an Instagram page and I started uploading everything. When COVID hit, that's when it got bad because I didn't get any orders. It really impacted my business. I was getting very unmotivated and it was just very sad, but my parents were my biggest motivation. They told me to not give up, and then when pandemic stopped, I got my orders back, thankfully. I love baking cakes. I love decorating and getting into detail with it. My next steps after high school is going to Culinary Institute of America, which is a prestigious culinary school. So I'm gonna specialize in baking and pastry in business management, because I want to open my own shop. I want to open my own business one day, and I'm super excited for that. I applied this year and I got 90% of my tuition covered. It's a pretty good deal for me. The support that I've been given to at West Leyden here has been very helpful, especially my biggest supporter is Miss Simzek. She is like my second mom. She also wrote my letter of rec, which I uploaded to the CIA, which is awesome. She's helped me with scholarships. She's helped me a lot. I always thank her, and she's like, no, thank you for what? Like, I haven't done anything. And I'm like, stop, you're gonna make me cry. Like, you've done so much. You can find me at Eileen Treats at Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok, Facebook, and I make any kind of sweets. I can make your whole sweets table with the cake, chocolate strawberries, pretzels, churro cheesecake, anything you could think of, I make it. If I don't know how to make it, I'll figure it out.